dry and unpalatable. You look at personality, really.
Alright, let's get into it, Harry. Clean up and then get cracking.
It's time to saute the calamari.
It needs to be done in batches. That's critical.
The biggest issue with the entree is getting the calamari right.
Chuck in a bit of garlic. Stir, stir, stir. Now get on in. Go in. Go! Just go!
We'll lightly saute the calamari for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's opaque in colour.
What does opaque mean? Well, I know what you know is opaque. Sure? So this is making me really nervous. This is very important that we get it right.
Calamari, if undercooked, not very nice. If overcooked, even worse.
Is it cooked properly? Let me try this. Yeah, I don't have to be well cooked, but I should taste it and try it again. It's not too chewy. It didn't taste underdone.